Hey, this is a prime number program in C. Let's see how it get executes and what are the values that comes into I and n and how the count value changes here. Here we take any random positive integer number. Let's take any random positive, let's say it's 7. Okay, for I equals to 2. So the initially value of I is initialized to 2 and the value of n becomes 7 here. The count is already initiated to 0. Now I equals to 2, I less than or equal to n by 2, which is 2 is less than or equal to n by 2. 7 by 2 is nothing but 7 by 2 is nothing but 4. Sorry, 7 by 2 is not 4, 7 by 2 is 3. Okay, if 2 is less than or equal to 3, yes, this condition is valid, so it comes into the loop. If n mod I equals 0, here 7, n is 7, right? 7 mod I is 2 equals 0. Now it's not 0, it's 1, and the value of count remains 0, right? So it doesn't get into these lines. Here this condition fails and it goes back to the for loop here. Okay, so now the value of I is I equals I plus plus, which is I equals to 3. Okay, I value is 3, and if I is less than or equal to, okay, 3 is less than or equal to 3, right? 3 is 3, right? Okay, 3 equals 3. Again the count value, let's see, if n mod I, n mod 3 here, 7 mod here, 7 mod 3 equals to 0. No, it's not equals to 0. Again this condition gets failed. It goes back and this count value remains 0 only. It doesn't get changed. Okay, it's 0 only. Now what is this? In iteration 3, I becomes, I is I plus 1, right? I is 4. Is this for this condition fail? 4 is less than or equal to 3 or not? No, it's not. So this for loop terminates. This for loop gets terminated and it comes out. If n equals 1, now the value of n is 7 here. So is n equals 1? No. Else, if count equals 0, is the count value 0? Yes, the count value is 0. It does not get changed through these iterations. Yes, this count value is 0. Printf, it is a prime number. Is 7 a prime number? Of course it is a prime number. Okay, 7 is a prime number. Otherwise, if you give 8 or something, the count value, it goes here, 8 mod I equals 0. Somewhere in this iteration it is the condition gets true and the count value changed to 1. When the count value is not equals to 0 and count value is 1, it is not a prime number that will be printed. If you take 8 is not a prime number. Okay, yeah, cool.